on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set password on poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first, what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Okay, when you move on the setting, from here you have to scroll on the down to password and security. Okay, so you just keep scrolling to password and security, and here is the password and security. So here you have to click on password and security. When you move on password and security, next on this screen you have to click here on the screen lock option. Okay, just click on the screen lock. When you click on the screen lock, from here it has given three options. The first option is the pattern. If you want to set the pattern, you can set from here. And second option is the pin. If you want to set pin lock, you can set from here the pin. And if you want to set password, you can set from here the password. Okay, just click on the password. From here it has given the important notice. Here you have, if you in the present, if you forget your password, what it will happen is that your photos, videos and contact number may be deleted. Okay, so please try to remember your password. Okay, click on the go date. So if here you can type your password. If you want to set your name, numbers, symbols, you can set from here. Okay, suppose I type my name. Okay, finish to type my name, and here you can see I option. If you want to check what you have been typed, you just click on the I option. See, it has been you will be able to see from here. Okay, if you want to hide again, you just click on this icon, it will be hide. Okay, after that click on continue. Again you have to type the same thing. Okay, retype, you just need to retype it. Okay, see, you can check it again whether it is same or not. Okay, so here it has been same. I typed the same, so just click on the OK. When you click on the OK, see here the password for the screen lock has been set successfully. You can set the password easily like this. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.